Russian President Vladimir Putin has just crossed a massive red line in international law, officially authorizing the Russian armed forces to penetrate the borders of any sovereign nation that dares to prosecute a Russian citizen. This unprecedented move essentially weaponizes the Russian military against global justice systems, opening a geopolitical Pandora's box at the exact moment international courts are seeking the arrest of the Russian president himself. Here is exactly what this new law means and why global security experts are on edge. Signed into action as Federal Law Number 149, this legislation radically amends Russia's defense and citizenship doctrines. It hands the Kremlin explicit domestic legal authority to deploy active military units, heavy weaponry, and special forces across foreign borders. The trigger: any instance where a Russian citizen is arrested, detained, or put on trial by a foreign government or an international tribunal. It is no longer just a diplomatic protest, it is a legalized mandate for armed extraction. But to truly understand this law, you have to read between the lines. The text specifically targets judicial bodies operating without a United Nations Security Council mandate, a mandate Russia can permanently veto. This is a direct, calculated counter-offensive against the International Criminal Court, or ICC, which famously issued a historic arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin in 2023. Moscow is no longer just ignoring the ICC, it is explicitly threatening it with military force. For the 124 nations that are signatories to the Rome Statute, this creates a terrifying diplomatic and security nightmare. Countries across Europe, Africa, and South America are legally bound by international law to arrest targeted Russian officials if they step on their soil. Now, fulfilling that obligation carries the codified threat of a Russian military strike. If a NATO country makes an arrest, an attempted Russian rescue mission could instantly trigger Article 5, plunging the world into a direct, catastrophic conflict. And the danger doesn't stop at the president. The law's language is intentionally broad, applying to any Russian citizen. Intelligence analysts warn this creates a permanent, built-in legal pretext for Russian aggression. If an accused Russian spy is caught in Berlin, a state-sponsored hacker detained in London, or an oligarch arrested in a neighboring state, Moscow now claims the domestic right to launch military or covert operations to get them back, framing an act of war as a rescue mission. Ultimately, Law 149 is a dual-purpose weapon. Internally, it acts as an ironclad insurance policy, assuring Russian elites, oligarchs, and military commanders that the state is willing to go to war to protect them from Western tribunals. Externally, it is a blunt instrument of intimidation against smaller, non-aligned nations. Russia is sending a chilling, undeniable message to the global community. The era of international jurisdiction is over, and attempts at justice will be met with fire.